Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to present my studio knowledge object. My object for this will be a storybook that tells a journey of my process in creating and develop my identity for the new enterprise in the Fort Canning precinct. This journey tells how Mr. Ban explores and conquers each difficulty, eventually finds his purpose. The studio aims to analyze and research for developing a new enterprise at Fort Canning Precinct and branding. The journey in this studio not only taught me about the in-depth knowledge of being a designer, but also allow us to help take heed and learn to solve problems. Others include watching videos of Dieter Rams and Stella Havnen, which shapes a new world to the definition of design, gaining different perspectives and experiences. As a designer, it is crucial to know the philosophy of design, not just to create a pretty picture, but to challenge the process of set creation and how well it is organized. What we see, hear, and feel about surroundings through this studio, it helps us to ideate and know the importance of what designer roles and values. So let's go on a journey into the wonders. But first, let's meet the characters of the stories. So the first one will be Mr. Ban. Mr. Ban is the main character of the story. He sets out a journey to explore and conquer each difficulty, eventually finds his purpose. He represents designers' roles and learning journey. It is not just making pretty pictures, but to be considerate with the environment. Moreover, applying your senses and keep exploring. So next we have Ozzy. Ozzy is Mr. Bun's friend. He represents teamwork. So I find that teamwork is crucial when it comes to group work, where you need to be collaborative and learn to speak up. I was pleased to work with my classmates as he is very open-minded person. Next will be the monster. He likes to help people more, but gets a bit grumpy sometimes. He represents the pain points and problem statement. So analyzing the pain points in the precinct is a good way to find and describe the issue happening in Fort Canning. From there we can find a solution to fix the problem. Next will be Theatre. He is a wizard who runs a shop. He represents the video Ram's design principle. From this studio, I gain insight from his video. It readings what are the functions with the user experience practitioner applies to the design. His minimalistic movement makes me reflect on whether my design elements is equal with my brand design. Next will be the fairies. The fairies guide people when they face difficulties. They represent the sense exercise which it did on class. So Lee talks about using your senses to apply into design, which is very interesting to me because I can use this method to see what my brand will look, sound, and taste and feel. Others that I learned from this course includes the business model canvas, which makes me understand more about business structure and how it operates. Use SWOT analysis to analyze who are our competitors, knowing our target audience to create persona and their pain points throughout the journey maps. So next is the designing the brand identity. So I start by writing and sketch out my thoughts. Then I keep on sketching until one of them stands out and can be further developed. The process is quite fun as you need to keep exploring until it fits the whole picture. So next, for the mood board, we get to explore colors, pictures, typeface, and so on. I faced a bit of difficulty as I need to fit the whole mood, which I wasn't certain about. After a few rounds, I have a clearer vision of what will be the brand's look and feel. So for my reflection, I learned that when designing everything, we need to consider the user's environment, both physically and emotionally, to create effective solutions. I learned that we need to have empathy, be more observant with our surroundings, be considerate with the movement. Moreover, applying your senses and keep on exploring. So the making process of my storybook. I want to make a storybook that has a surprise effect. When you flip a drawing, there will be another content inside for you to look. These are some of the process of making the storybook. So this will be the cover page and back page. The pages layout, what will be how it will look like with the contents beneath the drawings. So there will be a bookmark together with the storybook. The content inside of it is about the designer's value. So this will be the final work. And this will be how will it look like flip through. Yep, and that's all. Thank you.